We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive and detailed overview of Learn a Lot While You Sit on the Pot. Fascinating trivia and fun facts about science, history, sports, pop culture, technology, mind puzzles, and so much more by Jack Haynes. If you have this item, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, so be sure to use it to support the channel. This spiral-bound book, published by Nilaya Press in November 2024, has quickly become a conversation starter and a staple in bathrooms and living rooms alike. With 144 pages packed into a lightweight, easy-to-hold format measuring 9 by 6 inches and weighing just 7.2 ounces, it is designed for effortless perusal during short breaks or moments of leisure. Its bestsellers rank and a customer rating of 4.6 out of 5 from 666 ratings reflect its popularity as a gift and a quirky addition to any home. The concept of this book is immediately clear from its title. It is a collection of bite-sized trivia, fun facts, and mind puzzles covering a wide range of topics, including science, history, pop culture, sports, technology, and more. The book's structure is intentionally segmented into short, digestible entries, making it ideal for quick reading sessions. This design is especially appreciated by those who want to make productive use of their time in the restroom or simply enjoy learning new tidbits without the commitment of a long read. Users consistently praise the book's ability to entertain and educate in equal measure. Many reviewers highlight the humor and wit brought by author Jack Haynes, whose polished sense of humor and knack for finding obscure yet fascinating facts set this book apart from more generic trivia collections. The opening chapters delve into the science of flushing, the chemistry of soap, and the history of bathroom hygiene, providing a surprisingly informative foundation that appeals to both adults and children. These sections are followed by explorations of dental care, bacteria, dermatology, and the evolution of bathroom technology, ensuring that readers not only laugh but also learn something new with each page. The book's appeal extends beyond the bathroom. It has found a place in living rooms, waiting areas, and classrooms, where its random facts and puzzles serve as icebreakers and conversation starters. Parents report that their children enjoy sharing the random facts they discover, making it a family-friendly option for sparking curiosity and encouraging informal learning. The inclusion of language quirks, food history, art trivia, sports facts, mythology, folklore, and celebrity anecdotes ensures that there is something for everyone, regardless of age or interest. One of the most frequently mentioned strengths of Learn a Lot While You Sit on the Pot is its versatility as a gift. It has been described as a hit at white elephant parties, a hilarious yet thoughtful present for friends and family, and a unique addition to holiday gift exchanges. The book's lighthearted tone and universal appeal make it suitable for a wide range of recipients, from trivia enthusiasts to casual readers looking for a laugh. Its spiral-bound format allows it to lay flat, making it easy to read without having to hold the pages open, a detail that many users appreciate, especially in the intended setting. Despite its many strengths, the book is not without its critics. Some reviewers note that the information provided in each entry can be quite brief, sometimes leaving them wanting more depth or context. A few readers express disappointment that the excerpts do not offer enough substance to truly satisfy their curiosity, suggesting that the book is best suited for those who prefer quick facts over in-depth analysis. However, this brevity is also seen as a positive by others, who appreciate the ability to consume interesting information in short bursts without feeling overwhelmed. Another commonly cited advantage is the book's ability to provide a break from electronic devices. In an age where smartphones and tablets dominate our downtime, Learn a Lot While You Sit on the Pot offers a refreshing alternative that encourages readers to put down their screens and engage with the written word. Several reviewers mention that the book has replaced their usual habit of scrolling through social media or news apps during bathroom breaks, resulting in a more enjoyable and mentally stimulating experience. The humor throughout the book is another highlight, with many users noting that it strikes a balance between being genuinely funny and informative. The author's playful approach to topics like the history of chamber pots, quirky bathroom habits of famous people, and the oddities of human behavior makes the book both accessible and memorable. This sense of fun is further enhanced by the inclusion of brain teasers and puzzles, which provide an interactive element that sets the book apart from standard trivia compilations. In terms of usability, the book's compact size and spiral binding make it easy to handle and store. It fits comfortably on most bathroom shelves or counters, and its durable construction ensures that it can withstand frequent use. The layout is clean and uncluttered, with clear headings and well-organized sections that make it easy to find topics of interest. Readers appreciate the logical progression from one subject to another, as well as the occasional surprises that keep the experience fresh and engaging. The book's content is suitable for a broad audience, with language and subject matter that are appropriate for both adults and children. While some of the humor may be more appreciated by older readers, the majority of the facts and puzzles are accessible to all ages. This inclusivity has contributed to the book's popularity as a family-friendly resource that can be enjoyed by multiple generations. In summary, Learn a Lot While You Sit on the Pot is a well-crafted, entertaining, and educational book that delivers exactly what it promises. Its blend of humor, trivia, and puzzles makes it an ideal choice for anyone looking to make the most of their downtime, whether in the bathroom or elsewhere. The book's strengths lie in its engaging writing, diverse content, and practical design, all of which have been praised by users across the internet. While some may wish for more detailed entries, the majority of readers find the bite-sized format to be perfectly suited to the book's intended purpose. If you are searching for a unique gift, a new addition to your bathroom reading collection, or simply a way to inject some fun and learning into your daily routine, this book is a strong contender. Its widespread positive reception, high customer ratings, hondas, and consistent performance as a conversation piece and educational tool make it a standout choice in the world of trivia books. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, so check it out to support the channel. And if you have your own experience with this book, please leave a review in the comments to help others decide if it is right for them.